You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news. Most of the United States has been hit by severe snowstorms. California, Michigan, McAllen, Texas, Lexington, Kentucky, and Nashville, Tennessee are the worst. People in all these regions are struggling with extreme winter weather. Authorities have been forced to close schools, college offices, courts due to extreme cold. Special caution is asked to be taken while traveling on the roads. It is requested not to leave the house unless there is a special need. The National Weather Service said multiple rounds of heavy snow combined with strong winds will create blizzard conditions over high terrain and mountain passes, including the Sierra Nevada and the Transverse Range in Southern California.
Southern California blizzard!
We are still in our dangerous winter storm track. Expect blizzard conditions with feet of snow in the mountains, the National Weather Service, NWS, Los Angeles wrote in a tweet. More than 1 million households were without power nationwide. The most without power were in Michigan, where residents were hit by freezing rain and snow. The National Weather Service predicted a combination of strong winds and snow accumulation could cause service disruptions in locations, including power outages and tree damage, particularly northeast of the Great Lakes. 2 to 3 inches of snow near the Great Lakes with winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour. The blizzard has significant impacts, including major disruptions to travel, infrastructure, livestock, and recreation. According to the National Weather Service, the Midwest and Northeast received another 6 to 12 inches of snow, with some areas receiving up to 18 inches. More than 1,100 flights across the U.S. were canceled and nearly 5,600 were delayed as of Thursday evening. If you like the video, then comments and stay connected with us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to get the latest news.